naghahanap kami noon ng matitirahan. So, ang unang option namin, factor namin, two-story. Nakita na lang din namin yung post ni Sir Noriel. So, nag-inquire kami. Okay naman. Accessible siya. Malapit sa highway. Maraming store na pwedeng bilhan. Nandyan lang. Kaya, okay sa amin itong Golden Horizon.
Hi, we are Patrickella family. My husband is an IT programmer and I was a former accountant, pero I'm now full-time mom to Johan. And then we learned Golden Horizon projects from Facebook ads. And then we were assisted by our friend. We chose to have this as our home, future home, because accessible to schools, to markets, to malls, and yun.
We're the Publico and Pascua family. So, nakita namin yung bahay na to from 2018. So, nagustuhan namin kasi the first thing we like about this house is the family room. So, spacious siya.